one of the finest tripod manufacturers, Gitzo. This is the Gitzo GT3542L of the Mountaineer series with the Ballhead GH3382QD, the biggest ballhead that Gitzo is offering, an unboxing by Lightcolorshadow. The 3542L is the biggest tripod of the Series 3. According to Gitzo, are these the sturdiest tripods of the Mountaineer series. It has 4 leg elements per leg, and the largest diameter of the top leg is at 32.9 mm. It can handle a payload of 21 kg with an own weight of 1.95 kg. Then there is the possibility to remove the center column to allow photos on ground level. A really nice feature. And let's start with the unboxing, and during this I give you some more information. In combination with the Ballhead GH3382QD, the whole system weighs 2.7 kg, and this is remarkable. This lightweight handles a D850 with a mounted 70-200 without any problems. The Ballhead is really reliable and isn't slipping during fixation, so you don't have to readjust your alignment. The maximum height of this kit is 162 cm. Without pulling out the center column, and I'm 183 cm tall, so for me is this a comfortable working height. But the most time I don't use the maximum height, I pull out 2 leg elements out and I'm at 127 cm, because I have the tiltable screen of my camera. As you can see, the material of this tripod is carbon fiber, and all metallic what you see is a mix of magnesium and aluminum, and this also explains the price. 750 euros for the tripod and 360 euros for the ballhead. So 1100 euros for a tripod? Are you crazy? Perhaps I am, but what you buy here is a lifetime investment. It depends on how well you handle it, of course, but for me it is really worth it. A weatherproof tripod with a weight of 2.7 kg, which can shoulder my gear without compromises. I compare this tripod to my Manfrotto 055 with the 3-way head. The Manfrotto has a weight of 3.5 kg and is completely made of aluminum. This is also a really well manufactured piece of gear, but it's almost 1 kg heavier and it is more susceptible to vibrations. And this is a huge advantage of carbon fiber. It vibrates far less. You will notice this when wind hits your tripod and when you photograph, for example, from bridges. And every kilogram I can save, I try to leave out. I wear the tripod on my f-stop backpack and feel the difference of 800 grams. The Ballhead has a weight of 770 grams and can handle 18 kilograms. It has a friction and pen control, and the most important, it can hold Swiss compatible plates. And so we are almost finished. The accessories are some wrenches and of course a small instructions book in different languages. The same is also included in the tripod package. We are finished, a really luxurious piece of gear and an expensive one. I used it for my trip at the North Sea and wasn't disappointed. I had some strong winds and some wet days and it did a really good job. One small downer for me, I lost the rubber ring of the center column, which is supposed to protect the other tripod legs from collisions. But okay, I will find a replacement. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could make you curious and you can take a look on my other videos and look forward to upcoming videos. Otherwise, visit Lightcolorshadow.com and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching again and until next time. Bye bye.